Namaskara. Welcome to the magical world of Kaas Plateau, also known as the Plateau of Flowers. Kaas is about 25 kilometers from Satara city and spreads over nearly 1000 hectares of land. It is situated in the Satara district of Maharashtra. Kaas has earned recognition as a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site. Nestled in the Sahyadri ranges of the Western Ghats, this plateau transforms into a vibrant carpet of blossoms every monsoon. One of the most fascinating features of Kaas Plateau is its ability to change colors every 15 to 20 days during the monsoon. Imagine visiting in July and seeing golden yellow blossoms and then returning in August to find the same land covered in pinks and purples. By September and October, the plateau shifts again, displaying whites, blues, and deep purples. Each transformation is driven by the blooming cycles of different plant species. Kaas Plateau is a true paradise of biodiversity. It is home to 411 species of plants spread across 267 genera under 86 families. Many of these are endemic to the Western Ghats, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. Some notable species include Smithia hirsuta, the famous Mickey Mouse flower shaped like tiny faces, Impatiens lai artherda, creating endless pink carpets, Utricularia purpurascens, a delicate purple insectivorous plant, Eriocolon species, tiny white flowers resembling cotton balls, Sensio bombayensis, bright yellow blossoms lighting up the land, and the rare Toplicarvi, which blooms spectacularly once in 7 years. Every step here reveals something unique, from miniature orchids to wild balsams and insect eating plants. The soil of Kaas Plateau is lateritic, porous, rocky, and nutrient sensitive. These conditions allow only specialized plants to survive, which makes Kaas an evolutionary wonder. Here you will also find carnivorous plants like Drosera indica and Utricularia, which feed on insects to survive. This ecosystem supports not just flowers but also pollinators like bees, butterflies, and moths, as well as several bird species. Every flower, insect, and bird here is a part of a delicate chain of life. Kaas Plateau forms part of the mighty Sahyadri ranges, also called the Western Ghats. The Western Ghats are one of the 8 hottest biodiversity hotspots in the world, recognized for their ecological importance. They regulate monsoons, nurture rivers, and maintain balance in the environment. Kaas is like a shining jewel in this mountain chain, showing us the richness of India's natural heritage. The Sahyadri ranges of Satara are one of the richest centers of floristic diversity in the Western Ghats. Over 1,200 species of flowering plants are recorded from Satara's Sahyadri ranges. The unique role of lateritic plateau, evergreen forests, and seasonal streams in supporting different plant communities have been covered here. Presence of endemic species such as Keropegia vincefolia and Impatiens lai are highlighted here. Medicinal plants used by local communities, linking traditional knowledge with biodiversity. Importance of pollinators like butterflies, bees, and birds in maintaining this diversity. The Kaas Plateau, a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site in Satara, is home to 411 species of plants, but many of them face the threat of extinction due to habitat loss, climate change, and human pressure. Examples of threatened plants include Ceropegia vensifolia, a rare climber with lantern-shaped flowers; Utricularia purpurescens, a delicate insectivorous plant; Drosera indica, the sticky-leaved sundew, another insect eater; Impatiens lai, a seasonal balsam with pink blossoms; Smithia hirsuta, the Mickey Mouse flower, iconic yet vulnerable. For tourists, Kaas is nothing short of walking through a living painting. During peak monsoon, the plateau feels like a natural carpet stretching to the horizon. Well designed pathways allow visitors to walk through the without disturbing the ecosystem. The experience is immersive. The fragrance of wind flowers fills the air. Bees and butterflies flutter around in hundreds. The ground is covered in blossoms of different colors, blending into each other like brush strokes on a canvas. For photographers, Kaas is a dream come true, offering endless frames of natural beauty. Many conservation efforts are in place today. With fame comes responsibility. The ecosystem of Kaas Plateau is extremely fragile. To protect it, the government has restricted the number of visitors per day during peak season. Strict rules prohibit plucking flowers, stepping on plants, or littering. Local guides and ecotourism initiatives help spread awareness about the need for conservation. Each visitor plays a role in ensuring that Kaas remains intact for future generations. Perched high in the Western Ghats, Kas Pathar offers sweeping views of rolling hills and valleys. During the monsoon retreat, the Kaas Plateau transforms into a living canvas of colors. The otherwise green grassland suddenly bursts into waves of pinks, purples, yellows, blues, and whites. The cool winds, the wide skies, and the endless flowers create an atmosphere that feels untouched and otherworldly. Every year, as the rains subside and the soil retains its rich moisture, thousands of tiny flowers bloom together. This natural flowering season lasts only a few weeks in September and October. It's nature's short but spectacular festival. These flowers are delicate, often tiny, but when spread across the plateau, they create vast floral carpets stretching as far as the eye can see. Walking here feels like stepping into a dream where the ground itself has turned into a colorful painting. Together, all these flower species create a kaleidoscope of colors, attracting not just humans but also butterflies, bees, and birds that thrive in this ecosystem. Walking across the Kas Pathar Plateau during this flowering season is an experience of all senses. The fragrance of fresh blooms fills the air, the vibrant colors dazzle the eyes, and the cool winds from the Sahyadri hills bring a sense of peace and refreshment. Kas Pathar Plateau is a living garden of the Western Ghats, blooming briefly but magnificently every year. Its seasonal flowers remind us of the delicate balance of nature and the wonders that unfold when monsoon showers give way to autumn sunlight. To Kas Pathar Plateau will leave you spellbound with memories painted in the colors of wind flowers and the winds of the Sahyadris. The Kaas Plateau is not just a tourist spot but a natural treasure chest of biodiversity with 411 plant species changing colors and its place in the Sahyadri ranges. It truly deserves the title Plateau of Flowers. A visit here is a reminder of how magical and delicate nature can be. As we conclude this journey, please remember Kaas is not only about flowers, it is about the resilience of life, the balance of ecosystems, and the beauty of nature's artistry. Kaas Plateau is more than a valley of flowers. It is a valley of life, color, and hope. Every bloom here tells the story of nature's resilience. Let us cherish this wonder, protect its fragile beauty, and ensure that Kaas continues to enchant future generations with its timeless blossoms.
ತುಂಬ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಈ ಥರದ್ದೊಂದು ಯುನೆಸ್ಕೋ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ವೈಫಿಂದ ಒಂದು 8 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಇವ್ರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಫೈನಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ
This is my 4th trip.
ಓ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್.
We have been coming here since 15-20 years.
ಲಕ್ಕಿ ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Earlier there
ವರ್ತ್
used to be
ವೇಟ್
nothing.
ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಏನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Now there is lot of restrictions. But it's good.
ಇಷ್ಟು
It's required.
ಎಸ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬೇಕಬೇಕು ಇಷ್ಟು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the Kaas Plateau, a world heritage of flowers, colors, and natural wonder.